Congratulations! You just registered for the retreat launch session happening on 30th May at sharp 6 pm. And I want to tell you, I respect your time and I promise you that you are going to have an amazing experience in the launch session on 30th May. What I'm revealing that evening is something I have spent one full year building, and you do not want to miss it. But before you close this page, I want to tell you something quickly. Something that could make your 30th May experience very different from everyone else. Stay with me for just 2 minutes. I have spent over 20 lakhs attending international healing retreats. At one of those retreats, before the ticket buying launch session even began, my mentor was offering something called a priority access pass for just $100. That was around 8,000 rupees at that time. This investment of $100 for the priority access pass was giving a few benefits like a guaranteed seat at the retreat, a special discount on the full retreat price, and exclusive benefits that general attendees simply did not get. But here is the thing, when they were offering this priority access, I did not have the full details of the retreat yet. I only knew three things: the dates of the retreat, and the location where it is happening, and it was a 2-day retreat. That is the only information I had to buy the priority access pass for $100. My mentor had not revealed the full agenda yet. I did not know all the details, the day wise plan, nothing. I just knew this mentor was someone I could trust, and आंखें बंद करके मैं इन पे भरोसा कर सकती हूँ. I had done multiple online sessions with him. I had felt amazing shifts in the group sessions, and something inside me said, this priority access pass is going to be worth it. Can you guess? Did I buy the priority access pass for $100 or not? Well, I hesitated. I was overthinking. Let me think about it. Let me see the full details first. I will decide after I know everything. I took 6 days thinking about it, whether I should buy the priority access pass or not, because I am going to get the discount on the full retreat ticket if I buy it now. On the 7th day, by the time I went to buy the priority access pass, the offer had already expired. Then I joined the retreat launch session. Somehow I managed to get the retreat ticket, but at the full price. I want to do that retreat, and it was completely worth every single rupee. But I still think about that $100 sometimes, not with regret, but as a reminder to be a fast decision maker. Investing today can save you money tomorrow. Now look at where you are right now. You know the retreat dates, that are June 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. You know the location, that is Gurgaon. Exact address will be shared soon, and you know it is 3 days and 2 nights. And you know me. You have been doing sessions with me, and you have felt the transformations. You have got the results, and you are in the exact same position as I was in that day. You have the same information, same moment, and the only question is, are you going to overthink just like I did and regret later, or you are going to get the priority access pass right now? What if I told you that by investing just 500 rupees today, you are going to save 2500 on the 30th May? And if for any reason you are unable to buy the retreat ticket on 30th May, your 500 is not going anywhere. You are going to get the benefit of it either way. Okay, let me tell you exactly what you are going to get with the priority access pass. Benefit number 1, you are going to get a special discount of 2500 on the final retreat price. Plus, your rupees 500 that you pay today is going to be fully adjusted in the retreat ticket. So total, you are saving 3000 rupees. Just like that. Let me give you a simple example. Let us say the retreat ticket is rupees 50,000. So everyone in the launch session room will pay 50,000 to book their retreat ticket. But as a priority access member, you are going to get it for just 47,000. That is 3,000 straight into your pocket, just because you acted today. Benefit number 2, we have only 15 seats for the retreat. That's it. And trust me, when the booking opens live on 30th May, these seats are going to be get booked fast. Some of you will get in, some of you will be too late and end up on a wait list. And nobody wants to be on a wait list. As a priority access member, you are not on any wait list. Your seat is already on hold. Your name is already on the list. You go first. before everyone else in that room. Benefit number 3, on the last day of the retreat in Gurgaon, every Priority Access member is going to receive a special surprise gift personalized just for you. Something meaningful, something you are going to keep forever. And this gift is only for Priority Access members. And benefit number 4, now this one is my favorite because this makes this offer completely risk free for you. If for any reason you are not able to buy the retreat ticket on 30th May, your rupees 500 is not going anywhere. You are going to get 10 extra morning healing sessions added to your current plan after your existing membership expires. That is worth 1000 rupees completely free. So either way, you win. If you join the retreat, you save rupees 3000, and if you do not join, you get 1000 worth of sessions free. You simply cannot lose. That is what a risk-free investment looks like. Most important thing, please note these 3 benefits: special discount of 3000, your seat reserved in the top 15, and your special surprise gift in Gurgaon. These are only valid if you book your retreat seat during the 30th May launch session. The moment that launch session ends, these benefits are gone permanently. No extensions, no exceptions. So make sure you show up live on 30th May at sharp 6 p.m. and book your seat right there in the session. And one thing I want to be very clear about, not your retreat ticket. This is just your Priority Access Pass. The retreat investment will be revealed on 30th May in the launch session. So right now you have 2 choices. Choice number 1, invest rupees 500 today and look in the 3 amazing benefits: a special discount of 3000 on the retreat price, your seat secured in the top 15 before anyone else, a special surprise gift exclusively for you in Gurgaon. Choice number 2 is wait for the 30th May launch session, attend it for free, and make your decision there. That is completely okay too. There is nothing wrong with that. Just know if you wait, these priority benefits will not be available anywhere. Either way, I want you to know one thing: your final retreat investment is going to be completely worth it. The kind of experience you are going to have in those 3 days is something you will remember for the rest of your life. So, if any of this feels right to you, go ahead, click the button below and get your Priority Access Pass right now. And even if you are not getting the Priority Access Pass today, please make sure you do not miss the retreat launch session on 30th May. It is completely free to attend, and I promise you, you are going to love every minute of it. See you on 30th May, sharp 6 p.m. Love you. Happy healing.